Okay, so I wanted to give you a Google Jamboard update, and it really is pretty awesome because it's similar to what you can do in slides. So let's go ahead and open up my Jamboard. I'm going to come down here and create a new Jam for my virtual learner. I'm going to title the Jam that course so that it corresponds with what I am teaching in class. So the new feature is that whenever you set the background, you can actually put an image, and that just enables that image to be a permanent background, and it can't be accidentally deleted. Before this update, you only could add an image. So just an example, I go to my virtual textbook, my teacher book. I press and hold Shift, Windows key, and S to do a screenshot. I clip the part of the screen that I'm wanting to set as my background. So then it pops up and says, hey, you've got an image on your clipboard. Do you want to save it? So I click on that pop-up. And I could edit it if I wanted to, but honestly, so I go through this quickly, I just press save and I save it. I initially will just save it to my desktop, but I've actually got a folder where I have my screenshots at. So I'll want to title this one Lesson 9. And so I will usually put them in numerical order just to save time because I do little snips of one page. All right, so I just saved that to my desktop. So what I'll do, there's my virtual workbook. I come back here and click on my Jam. I want to set the background to that image that I just saved to my computer. Screenshots, it was in lesson 9, and there it is. And so I double click and voila, there's my background. Now it doesn't fill up the outsides of it because it's more like a presentation, but you can click all you want to and it's not going to change it. So I like that. I like the fact that no student can edit it. Now, what I do is I will record my screen using either Screencastify or Google Meet in my classroom. And so now that I have this on the back, I can use these tools over here to teach the lesson to my learners. I can underline, which I know I've told you this all before, but anyways, just wanted to kind of show you the point in that awesome new feature where you could set the background. Another thing that's awesome too, especially for, which I know English teachers do as well, but with math, I'll have all these things worked out on here, and then I'll need to clear it. So since this is a background now, whenever I clear the frame, it doesn't clear my background. But if I just put that in as an image, this was the only option before. If I put that in as an image and I mark on it working things out and I make a mistake and I clear the frame, the image disappears. So it's really handy now that we can set that as a background. Another handy tool with Jamboards is click up here, you can rearrange your pages, but this is cool. So if I go back to all of my jams, not only can I upload this video using my Screencastify, but let's say that I wanted to email this Jamboard to someone, this lesson, I could download it as a PDF and I could email that PDF to the parent or to the student, which is working up there. That one was a pretty big one. So now I have that. Now a really super quick way to get this onto your computer is just to minimize your screen, grab it, drag it, and drop it to that desktop. So now whenever I click on it, there is my whole jam with everything that I did not erase left on there. And so your kids are able to see worked examples. So this would even work in class as like a note-taking feature where you can do the screen snaps and let the students pull it up on their computers and go through it and fill in the blanks, and the student could email you a PDF of that gem. But anyways, that's all that I wanted to share. Hope this helps. Bye, y'all.